Hi, welcome to Beacon, presenting and walking you through DraftSite application demonstration, and we'll explore what DraftSite can offer to CAD user. What is DraftSite? DraftSite is an automation tool used for drafting. It is an feature-rich 2D product. Supports and edits DWG file sets. It's a product from 3ds company Dassault Systems. Why DraftSite? Ease of use, familiar user interface with minimal learning curve, converting the ideas to DWG drawing with image tracer, ease of handling revisions, built-in mechanical toolbox, offers perpetual and term license, low-cost 2D CAD product, and many more. Industry challenges: reuse legacy data, no problem with compatibility, compliance to industry standards, reuse existing macros and Lisp programming, supporting dynamic blocks with attributes, establishing design library.
Now we'll explore DraftSite user interface.
After startup, you will see the Start tab. Here you can use the Start Drawing buttons to begin new drawing or start a drawing from variety of templates. You can also open a drawing from the recent document list.
You can switch between 3D modeling, classic, drafting and annotation environment.
The Quick Access toolbar displays frequently used tools. You can easily customize this to include the tools you like to use.
Title bar displays DraftSite version, drawing name and file location.
The drawing area is where you can create, modify objects to represent your design. In the lower left corner of the drawing area is the UCS icon, which displays the positive directions of the X and Y axis. When you hover over a drawing file tab, you will see preview images of the model and layouts. Above the file tab is the ribbons. The ribbon organizes commands and tools into tabs and panels. For example, the Draw panel on the Home tab contains tools to create objects, while the Modify panel contains tools to modify objects. In the lower left corner of the drawing area are the controls to switch between model space, where you will do most of your drawing, and paper space, the layout tabs that allows you to control which area of the drawing to publish. Use the command line to start a command and provide input for the current command. As you enter a command, autocomplete will suggest a list of matching commands from the command line. At the bottom of the application window is the application status bar. The status bar displays common drafting aids, annotation scaling tools, and workspace customization tools like ortho, polar modes.
At the right side is the task pane, consists of DraftSite Home tab, 3D Content Central, Properties palette, and others DraftSite add-ins.
Image tracer. Convert complex raster images of any kind, including floor plans, curved images, and logos to DWG files with ease using DraftSite image tracer feature. It instantly converts raster images into vectorized line entities for direct editing in DraftSite. Drawing compare. Graphically compare entities between two drawing documents and identify difference based on displayed color codes. It can be useful for handling revisions. The compared files can be saved and reviewed. G-code generator. The DraftSight G-code generator allows you to convert your drawing data to G-code so that you can send the data to CNC machine for manufacturing. The DraftSight G-code generator can process lines, curves, and arcs. Dynamic blocks. DraftSight now supports imported dynamic blocks to represent movable segments in a block with different variations. Auto dimensioning. You can use the auto dimension command to automatically create baseline, continued, and ordinate dimensions for specified entities that are enclosed within a dimension bounding box. The auto dimension palette lets you control the dimension type, location, and origin. You can also add and remove entities from the selected entities to dimension automatically.
For the selected dimensions, prefix and suffix can be added along with the tolerances, and it can be controlled with precision. Power trim. With one tool, entities can be trimmed, extended, and deleted. The mechanical toolbox add-in for DraftSight contains a set of standard 2D design, drafting, and detailing tools to help you create and annotate drawings. Choose a default standard from a collection of data tables that define industrial and notational standards. Insert standard hardware into your drawing in number of 2D views by choosing from collection of bolts, screws, nuts, pins, and washers.
Predefined layers. Using the toolbox, you can set layer properties to specify layers, colors, line styles, and line weights to predefine them in the active document.
Add predefined holes to drawing by choosing from counterbore, countersink holes with blind or through clearances. Hole options. With mechanical toolbox, you can add 2D representation of holes to drawings. You can also specify geometric or textual hole dimension and create associative charts of hole locations, which you can then add as annotations to drawings. Hardware options. Toolbox includes standards based hardware components that you can insert into drawings. Screw connections. The toolbox screw connection dialog box helps you combine bolts and screws with nuts and washers using single dialog box. Design and add balloons to drawing entities. Use the item data associated with balloons to add bill of material tables to your drawings. The mechanical toolbox lets you generate title block and borders based on the selected standards, and it has been equipped with attributes.
Constraints. Use constraints to control drawing entities parametrically, specifying geometrical and dimensional properties of entities. (3D) modeling. DraftSight 3D modeling workspace contains geometrical shapes and complex 3D shapes to create and modify using Boolean operations. Macros. You can run and record macros to automate the execution of commands to handle repetitive tasks. Now we'll explore DraftSight versions. DraftSight offers standard, professional, premium versions with license type standalone and term. No war support. Access DraftSight website to purchase standard, professional and premium variant. Enterprise and Enterprise Plus versions offers license with network and perpetual with full war technical support and subscription benefits. Contact Beacon for Enterprise and Enterprise Plus variant of DraftSight.
High level benefits: perpetual non-expiring license, term license, network license to deploy across organization, full war technical support from Beacon, low cost, familiar user platform.